dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The wife of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has hailed the senator representing Anambra South Senatorial District, Senator Ifeanyi for facilitating her visit to her husband at the facility of the Department of State CID in Abuja. She said even though the Department of State CID is detaining her husband, the Igbo politician, governor, and political office holder are still working assiduously for the release of her husband. Moving on, we have Governor Otti said that he is not fighting anyone, that he's only interested in good governance. But guys, before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest, just your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching this video, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. All our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's dive into the main gist. The wife of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, during a live session on Radio Biafra on Sunday, disclosed that she visited her husband after several denials by the DSS officials. Nnamdi Kanu has been detained at the DSS detention since his redemption from Kenya in 2021 after he was rearrested for alleged jumping bail in 2017 when he fled the country. Speaking during the live radio program, Nnamdi Kanu addressed some Igbo people living in the United Kingdom and other parts of the world. She said she had severally been denied access to her husband until last month when she approached Senator Uba, the senator representing Anambra South Senatorial District, who swiftly facilitated her visit to her husband in DSS custody. So she thanked Ifeanyi for helping her. She also thanked other politicians, Igbo politicians, governors, and political office holders who are concerned about the plight of her husband. She said a lot of these elites are concerned about the unlawful detention of her husband and they are working silently to secure a roundtable discussion for his release. And she's so thankful of them. That Ifeanyi also confirmed to the journalists on Monday when contacted that he facilitated the visit of Mrs. Kanu to her husband when she found out that she was finding it difficult to access her husband in DSS custody. Nnamdi Kanu's wife had on April 16 visited her husband, and it was gathered that it was the first time she was able to do so after several denials from the DSS to access her husband. Just imagine how these people are treating Nnamdi Kanu. He doesn't even have access to his family. Any discussion he's having with his family or his lawyer is being monitored. Just imagine they have denied his wife access to her husband several times. So at this point, when she visited Nigeria, she had no choice than to approach Ifeanyi, the senator representing Anambra Senatorial District, and told him that she needed to visit her husband. But she was finding it difficult to do that. So immediately, Ifeanyi intervened and she visited her husband with him alongside with the company of Barrister Ejiofor, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer. So she met with her husband in DSS facility on April 16 for the first time. My people, this matter get as a be. May they do release this man, I beg. They don't try several ways, may they for release this man. He hurts, they deteriorate. Yet these people no one agree release this man. The hand will hold this matter strong. So they don't know where to make them no one release Nnamdi Kanu. Even when the international police have said that they don't have hands in Nnamdi Kanu's case. So who can they delay Nnamdi Kanu's release? So you guys, I would like to know what I think about this matter in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Moving on to the next one. Governor Otti of Abia State said that his administration is not fighting anybody, but he's only interested in recovering looted funds and achieving good governance. He stated this at obviously during a solidarity visit by various groups and supporters of the member representing Isialangwa South constituency, Chief Roland Chiwendu. Otti explained that what he wants is the progress and development of Abia State, stressing that if the immediate past administration will refund the 10 billion spent on the airport of the project that is not found in Abia State. He disclosed that his administration would soon commence a medical city project in Abia, which would attract people with serious health issues to the state for adequate medical care. Otti insisted that all his administration is doing in the state is just a rehearsal because he is more committed to delivering democracy dividends in his second year. He described the solidarity visit by Honorable Chiwendu and his group of supporters as a good omen. So he thanked Honorable Chiwendu for his support in the State House of Assembly. He further disclosed that both of them has been working together since the inspection of the 80th Assembly. Alex Otti said that he established forensic audit of the account as soon as he was sworn in, and the report turns out that a lot of money was looted, stolen brazenly, and part of the one he mentioned was the 10 billion Abia Airport project, that they started insulting him, that if they follow what is happening in media, that they would know that what he said is true, that they are looking for the money, that if they are not able to find the airport, they would have to refund them the money, that they are not pursuing anybody. They should refund the money they stole so that they can use it to work for the people, because the place must be developed, and they will continue to build the road. They will continue to clear up the environment. They will continue to create jobs, and they will continue to put their state on the map. That the educational system must be completely revamped. Their hospital must not only work, but it will be to the level where the rest of the world is today. In his speech, the member representing Salangwa South constituency, Honorable Lawrence Chiwent, noted that the people of Salangwa sent him to the house to represent their interests with its democracy dividends, stressing that they cannot afford to be seen as an opposition to the governor, who is from the same council area with himself. The lawmaker, while commending Alex Otti for the ongoing reconstruction of Umakia Umene Road, among other projects in the area, he said that he brought his supporters to identify with him and tell him that they are proud of his achievements in the office. In their remarks, the Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Prince Uzo Nwachukwu, and Mayor of Isialangwa South Local Government, Dr. Elinta Nwabisi, he noted that Alex Otti coming at this time is divine. He described Alex Otti as a leader who is on a divine mission to rebuild the state for the better. On the part of the chairman of Isialangwa South Local Government, Chief Ifeanyi Isiakaku, said that Mr. Henry Ori thanked the God for bringing Governor Alex Otti to rebuild Abia State, which they said they were happy that the governor has turned Abia into a construction site. So Abia today is setting the pace for other states to follow. Honestly, Alex Otti is trying. Honestly, this is the governor that Abia State have been praying to God to provide for them. And here is the man, Alex Otti. He has been doing wondrous work in Abia State, and a lot of eyes are seeing it. Who knows that Abia State will be cleaner than other states today? Because other states used to be a dirty place. Just imagine what this governor have done to Abia State, revamp Abia State totally. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, I'm your witness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.